The overstuffed closet in your hallway is a ticking time bomb. Every time you open that door, a mountain of puffer jackets and heavy wool blankets threatens to bury you alive. We have all seen those satisfying ads where a bulky comforter shrinks down to the size of a pizza box in seconds. It looks like magic, but the real question is whether those plastic bags from Amazon actually hold up over time, or if they are just a temporary fix that ends up leaking air by Tuesday. If you have ever tried to shove a queen-size duvet into a tiny shelf, you know the struggle is real. These bags promise to slash the volume of your laundry by up to 80%. That is a massive amount of reclaimed territory in your home. You can take a pile of seasonal clothes and turn it into a thin, hard slab of plastic that slides right under your bed. The technology is pretty straightforward. You seal your stuff inside and suck the air out using a standard household vacuum or a hand pump. Most of the popular sets on the market today are designed to be universal. However, the build quality varies wildly between the budget brands and the more premium options. If you go too cheap, the plastic feels like a thin grocery bag. Those are the ones that develop tiny pinholes or have zippers that pop open at the slightest touch. A good bag needs thick walls and a double-track zipper to keep the outside world away from your favorite sweaters. Real users are often split on these things. Half the people think they are the greatest invention since sliced bread. The other half wake up 3 days later to find their storage bags have slowly reinflated like a giant plastic marshmallow. Most of the time, this failure comes down to the seal. If there is even a single dog hair or a tiny piece of lint stuck in that zipper, the vacuum is gone. You also have to be careful about overstuffing. If you pack it too tight, the tension on the plastic is just too high for the seal to handle. Beyond just saving space, there is a hidden benefit to these airtight cocoons. They act as a shield against dust, moisture, and those annoying little moths that love to eat holes in your expensive wool. If you are storing things in a garage or a basement, that moisture protection is a lifesaver. You do not want your bedding smelling like a damp cave when you pull it out next winter. Of course, there is a trade-off. Once you suck all the air out, your clothes are going to come out looking like they were chewed on by a giant. The wrinkles are intense. You should definitely not put your most delicate silk or high-end suits in these things for long periods. If you are using them for travel, they are a game changer for fitting 2 weeks of clothes into a carry-on bag. Just remember that while your clothes are smaller, they still weigh the same. Your suitcase might be thin, but it could still be heavy enough to break an airline rule. To get the best results, you have to be methodical. Start with bone-dry clothes. Any moisture trapped inside will turn into a musty nightmare. Fold everything neatly to minimize those deep creases. When you zip it up, run the slider across the top multiple times. You want to hear that satisfying click of the tracks locking together. Once you attach the vacuum, watch the magic happen. The bag will tighten and the fabric will compress until it feels solid as a rock. Quickly cap that valve before any air sneaks back in. Store them in a cool, dark place away from anything sharp. One tiny snag on a stray nail or a sharp corner of a box and your hard work is undone. It is not a perfect system, but for anyone living in a small apartment or trying to organize a chaotic attic, it is a tool that actually delivers on its promise if you take the time to do it right. Traditional plastic bins take up the same amount of space regardless of how much is inside them. They are bulky and rigid. These bags are the opposite. They adapt to your needs. If you have an attic that is currently a graveyard of old pillows and guest bedding, these can reclaim half of that square footage. It feels like adding an extra closet to your house without a single day of construction. Even the smell stays fresh. Because the bags are airtight, that stale attic smell never reaches your fabrics. It is a level of organization that feels professional. You see those clear, flat stacks, and suddenly your storage area looks like a high-end boutique instead of a cluttered mess. Just keep your expectations grounded. They are not forever tools. Over years of use, the plastic will fatigue. The seals will eventually wear out. But for a seasonal swap or a big move, they are nearly unbeatable.